This story took place a long time ago. We read it each year so that we'll all know. Once was a king called Achashverosh. Of many Medinot, he was the Rosh.
He gave a big party. The whole kingdom came. They thought it would bring lots of fame. Kalim, nothing was spared. His desire was quickly prepared.
I'll summon Vashti to put on a show. Baketa Malchut, her answer was, no, I refuse to show up and parade to the guests. Achashverosh said, she refused my request.
So, put an end to her life. We'll find you a queen who will be a good wife. We'll gather the loveliest girls ever seen, and you shall decide who will be the next queen. This Persia contest for his own pleasure. Esther beat them all by a very far measure. Every contestant he did screen, but of all of them, she became the new queen.
Esther kept secret that she was a Jew. For that, what was I, Mordechai, told her to do? I heard of their plot to poison the king. For the good of the Jews, I will sing.
Haman was a big shot and tickled pink. You had to bow down to him or land in the clink. He even expected this from Mordechai the sage, and when he didn't bow, he flew into a rage. The day that came up was the day that they will use to kill Mordechai and the rest of the Jews. Off Haman went to the king.
I agree. The 13th of Adar is the day. Hip, hip, hip. Hooray!
I heard the plot Haman was advising and told Mordechai, I can't do anything. Because to see the king, there's one condition. The hardest thing to get, you need his permission. Anyone who walks into his room without being called just sealed his doom. So how do you expect me to save the Jews? Oh, Mordechai,
I insist. Esther, dear, please do not dither. Perhaps for this reason you attained this position.
I'm perturbed and I'm distressed. I must help them out. Hashem, Ya'azor li. Tell the Jews not to eat, not a thing, for 3 days and 3 nights. Then I'll plead with the king.
He stuck out his scepter and said to Esther, tell me what you want, and you'll get it at once.
All I want is for you to come to my party today with that man, Haman. All I said at the party was, come yet again to my party tomorrow and I will tell you then.
Haman went home full of glee, but then saw Mordecai and turned to misery. He asked his wife what to do, and she said, "Build a gallows, tomorrow he'll be through, and there won't be anything that anyone can do." It's so hot. We have no air conditioning. I cannot sleep. I read in my diary that I keep how Mordecai warned of a plot. Has he been rewarded? Oh no, he has not. Now what should we do to honour a man who's so loyal and true?
Haman said to hang Mordecai is just the right thing.
Pray to me tell.
Let him wear the king's robes, ride his horse, wear his crown, tarida. Have a servant announce as he's led through the town. The king's friends are honoured in this special way.
We'll do as you say, for Mordecai, the Jew, who sits at my gate.
I don't have much of a barriera, but to listen to the king's gazera. They came to the party. Haman to call. He went thinking it would be a ball. He did not realize this was the end. Him to the gallows they are going to send.
Esther, my dear, what is it that you need?
Dear Ahasuerus, for my very own people, I do plead. He wants to get rid of everyone.
Who is that?
The wicked Haman.
All Haman's schemes were disrupted that day, as the royal guards dragged him crying away. Ahasuerus left, but returned to the scene. He thought he saw Haman attacking the queen.
Havana said, "There is a tree in Haman's yard. I saw it today. He put it there to hang Mordecai."
Hang Haman to die.
The king realized that no one was wiser. He made Mordecai act as his royal advisor.
In Shushan, the Jews received extra permission to fight on Adar the 14th in addition. Soon it was all over, the fighting all through. Haman's 10 evil sons were killed and hanged too. Hoo-hoo!
Ever since then, the 14th of Adar is a day of rejoicing for Jews near and far. And that, my dear friends, let us all gladly shout, how the greatness of Purim came truly about.